Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a hydrates lab. And so we're going to look at this hydrate, Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate. And we're going to figure out the formula of this hydrate by first evaporating all the water out of it. Okay, so we're going to use a Bunsen burner to do that, and we're going to get it really hot to get rid of all that water. All right, cool. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is take the mass of this crucible. So a crucible is just a ceramic container here. So place that on the scale. About 11.34 grams is the mass of the crucible. To that, I'm going to add about 2 grams of my hydrated crystal here. So I'm gonna hit the tare button, so equals 0. And the formula for this is MgSO4 times blank H2Os. Remember, when we do these hydrate problems, we're solving for the number of waters here. Okay, so it's magnesium sulfate, and we're trying to figure out how many waters are in this chemical. So again, I'm gonna get about 2 grams here. So again, I'm scooping about 2 grams of magnesium sulfate. This is the hydrated crystals, okay? So this is hydrated, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to evaporate the water in here. So go ahead and record 2.05 grams. Again, that's the hydrated magnesium sulfate crystals. All right, next we are going to heat up these crystals. So I'm gonna get my Bunsen burner going here. So I'm heating up the crystals and they're kind of melting. Gotta give you all a closer look. Okay, so I've taken my sample of magnesium sulfate off, and now I'm just letting it cool. Again, it was really hot, so we're gonna leave it, and then afterwards we're gonna measure the mass. All right, now that it is cool enough to touch, I'm going to take the mass of it, and this is the mass of the anhydrous sample, or the dehydrated, right? We just evaporated all the water. So this is the mass of the crucible and the dehydrated sample. You're gonna have to do some math to get the rest of the data, but I've laid it all out for you, so hopefully it's not too difficult. Make sure you do the rest of the calculations, and make sure you ask me questions if you have any. All right, that concludes this video of the Hydrates Lab.